About this item: Rocket Apple MFi Certified Lightning Cable. Our lightning cable has its authorized chip from Official, which can ensure a fast charging for your iPhone. And it is guaranteed no warning will pop up. You can enjoy safe and fast charging for your devices. Rocket Fast Charging and Data Transfer. Our USB-A to Lightning cable is made of high-quality copper wire, which provides support for fast charging and transmission. Smoothly transfer data at a speed of 480 Mbps and 2.4A output. Fast charging make you enjoy fast data transfer, syncing, and charging. Bring you safe and convenient life. Rocket superior durable and strong high-quality TPE material makes this cable more durable and stronger than ordinary iPhone charger cables, while being flexible and tangle-free. It is tested for up 30,000 plus bends, making it more durable. Withstand all kinds of daily connection needs and long-term use. Rocket Perfect 10 feet length. Perfect 10 feet extra long iPhone charger cable. Free up your charging time, won't be confined to a small spot while charging. You can meet your charging needs in the car, bed, dining table, and office at any time. This is a convenient and practical charging cable. Rocket Universal Compatibility and Good Service iPhone Charger Cable for iPhone 14/13/12/11/11 Pro/11 Pro Max/XS/XS Max/XR/X/8 Plus/8/7 Plus/7/6S Plus